Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I will try to cover one question which is related to the operation on sets, or what you can say that the relation between A and B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. So many defined questions are there. Out of all those questions, I have selected questions in such a way that you will get the answer of the maximum number of questions. So first of all, just go to the question please. Two sets are given, A and B. A is a set which contains all those numbers x. We don't have any idea about the number, what type of elements are there in that set A. It is mentioned specifically here, just go through it. It contains all those numbers. What are the specific properties of these numbers? The numbers or the elements are, first of all, positive. Next one is prime numbers less than 10. That means in this set A, it will contain all those elements which are positive first of all, and they should be prime number and less than 10. You are not supposed to consider 9. 9 is less than 10, no doubt, but 9 is a positive quantity, it's okay. But 9 is not a prime number. So here in the set, therefore, the set A is what? It will contain all those elements, all those positive prime numbers which are less than 10. That means you can think about who is the smallest prime number. It is positive as well as less than 10. 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are elements of the set A which will satisfy all the three conditions. Positive, prime number plus less than 10. What are the elements of the set B? B is the set which contains all the elements. First of all, this should be natural number. Obviously, numbers should start with 1. All the counting numbers are known as natural number. First of all, the set B will contain only natural numbers. And what is the condition? The element should satisfy this condition. What is the condition? X minus 2. That means if we subtract 2 from that number, it should lie between 0 and 6. What type of element should be there? For example, you cannot consider 1. Because if we subtract 2 from 1, then my extra is set to 1 আছে বুলি ভাবি লও তেতিয়ালে 1 minus 2 to কার মধ্যে থাকিব লাগিব 6 আৰু 0 ৰ মধ্যে 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Correct? Minus 2 is 0 ডাঙৰ নহয়. So that's why you are not supposed to consider 1 in place of it. That means what type of elements will be there then in that case? What type of elements will be there? So just we have to simplify. So to simplify the inequality, or that means to have the exact value of x, what we will do? We will try to remove all those other terms, all those terms which are other than x. That means for minus 2 to order of research, to remove minus 2, we have to add a positive quantity 2 with each and every term. So 0 plus 2 less than x minus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2. Remember, whenever we will add or subtract a positive quantity from each and every term of an inequality, the inequality will remain same. If an inequality is a positive term, multiply koriba plus koriba but subtract koriba positive quantity, the inequality expression to same thake. That means inequality sign will take increasing order ase yato moi rakhisu. So what will be the expression then? It will be x plus or minus to cancel, it will be what? 8. That means here in this set B, it will contain all those elements which are like between 2 and 8 directly. Here it will contain all those natural numbers. What type of natural numbers it will be? It will always contain in between 2 and 8. What about the set B? First of all, the value of x should not be 1 because 1 is not lies between 2 and 8. It should not be 2 because it's not equal sign is not there. That means the value of x should not be equal to 2. That means greater than 2. It will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I correct? This 2 or 8 also. Because the value of x is equal to 8 is also mentioned there. So in this way, we will try to find out all the possible values of a and b. Now we try to find the value of a and b. So what is the value of a and b? A and b itself is a set which contains, that means you have to combine or you have to unite the elements of a and b. A or b between element unite here. But remember the repetition of elements is not allowed. So we can easily write down 2, 3 repeats 2 times, so only you have to write down 1 time only. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 repeats 2 times, my bar repeats 5 repeats 2 times, only 1 time I have written. 3 repeats 2 times, only 1 time I have written. Okay, so this is the union. Intersection means what? Do you have any idea? Intersection means you have to find out the common elements. It's a lies in both A and B. That means 3 lies in both, 5 lies in both and 7. That means what are the elements? 3, 5 and 7. What about A minus B? A minus B is very simple. You have to subtract the elements of B from A. B element in A plus subtract kori. That means here in this set it will contain all those elements which are only in A. Okol F thoka. You are not supposed to consider all those elements of A which are also in B. Yet that means here in this expression A minus B, the set A will get the importance. Here in this expression you have to consider all those elements of A which are there in A only. Okol F thoka element kini saba. Tamne A set ki importance di F thoka hebilak element e consider to jibilak okol F ase. You are not supposed to consider all those elements which are there in B also. B thoka element ni consider koriba. For example, you can consider 2 because 2 is there in A only. You are not supposed to consider 3. Why? Because 3 is there in B. 3 to all F nine. All only 3 does not lie there in only in A. You are not supposed to consider 5 because 5 is there in B also. You are not supposed to consider 7. 7 is there in B also. Very simple. Tamne simply subtract korisu bole about 3 over 3 cancel, 5 over 5 cancel, 7 over 7. What are the remaining elements of A? You have to write it down. Similarly, B minus M means what? Here also we said we have to give the importance B. You have to consider all those elements of B which are there in B only, called B thoka. You are not supposed to consider all those elements which are there in A also. You are not supposed to consider all those elements. Called B thoka. That means you cannot consider 3. Do you know why? That means here you have to give the importance to the set B. Big importance দিব লাগিব. 3 consider কৰিব নোৱাৰা কাৰণ 3 to A আছে. You can easily consider 4. You cannot consider 5. Around 5 is there in A. You can consider 6. You can consider 8 like that. By bhage kama B prior to minus 4, 3 cancel, 5 cancel, 7 cancel. What are the remaining elements of B? B to first one like so B importance here 4, 6 and 8. These are the values of M union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Okay. So I think you can easily have the idea. What is the number of elements in A? We can easily write down number of elements 4, number of elements in B, number of elements in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we can easily write it down. Number of elements in A and B 3, 6, 7. Number of elements in A intersection B, I think you have got it. It's 3. Number of elements in A minus B 1. Number of elements in A minus B. Number of elements in A minus B which is equal to 1. And number of elements in B minus A which is equal to 3. Now we can easily verify the formulas. Is it true or what? So first one, what it is given? Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. We'll try to find out the value of this one. Number of A is equal to what? Number of A is equal to 4 plus 6 intersection value 3. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 3 is equal to what? 7. This is nothing but the number of elements in there. Number of elements in there. What is the value? Yes, exactly. Number of elements in this. 7 is nothing but the number of elements in union B. That means the value of this expression is exactly equal to n of A union B always. So similarly we try to verify the second option. What is the second option? What is given? N of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of their intersection. Let us try to put the value. So n of A is equal to 4 minus n of intersection is equal to 3. This is equal to 1. Am I correct? Is it true or false? N of A minus B is equal to what? 1. This is nothing but n of A minus B. Second option is also correct. We can easily verify. What about the third one? N of B minus A, what is given? N of C. N of B minus A is equal to N of B minus N of the intersection. So put the value. N of B is equal to 6. Intersection is equal to 2. This is equal to what? 3. Is it the correct value? Yes, this is the correct value. Just go through the formulas once again, please. Whenever you have to find out number of elements in A minus B is exactly equal to N of A minus N of the intersection. N of B minus A, N of B minus N of their intersection. Okay? So N of P minus A, suppose P minus Q. Suppose the question is given like that. Very simple. N of P minus N of P intersection. In this way, we can easily generalize. Whenever you find out the value of the difference, number of elements in the difference, it will be exactly equal to the number of elements in the first set, P minus number of elements in your intersection. I hope you have got my point. Very simple question, just go through it. If you obviously to have the more idea about it, you can easily practice all those questions which are there in your textbook. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.